Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Zatin coin from the Zatinchain project. Now ticker symbol is ZTN, and it was just announced that this coin is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 7th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Zatin coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. There is a max total supply of 3,600,000,000 ZTN tokens. They have 230 holders so far, and there's 18 decimal places on this token here. So Zatin coin is a decentralized exchange and automated market maker that provides swaps and deep liquidity for stable coins and other assets. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 7th at 10 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Zatin coin and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ZTN, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their webpage can be found at zatin.xyz. And you can find a full white paper at docs.zatin.xyz. So they are empowering protocols and fueling liquidity. In today's rapidly evolving cryptocurrency market, Zatin is actively developing a robust foundational framework. This framework has been meticulously designed to cater to the multifaceted requirements of participants within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. At present, the cryptocurrency landscape is characterized by the proliferation of fragmented solutions, each tailored to access specific niche needs. These solutions often focus on singular aspects of cryptocurrency trading, investment, or management. While this diversity can be beneficial, it also possesses challenges for investors and industry professionals. So Zatin recognizes a significant gap within the cryptocurrency industry, a need for a cohesive and all-encompassing framework. This framework aims to consolidate various functionalities, tools, and resources under one roof. By doing so, it streamlines the often complex and disjointed processes that investors and stakeholders face in the cryptocurrency space. By offering a comprehensive framework, Zatin empowers investors to shift their attention away from piecing together disparate tools and services. Instead, they can focus their efforts on evaluating and engaging with legitimate, reliable, and viable solutions. This simplification and unification of resources not only enhances efficiency, but also promotes trust and confidence within the cryptocurrency market. In essence, Zatin's vision is to create a unified ecosystem that serves as a one-stop destination for investors and industry participants, enabling them to navigate the cryptocurrency market with clarity and ease. So, your vote is more than just emissions. Almost every protocol in DeFi needs to have a certain amount of liquidity for one reason or another. However, current solutions for incentivizing liquidity come with their own trade-offs and pitfalls. We are developing an all-encompassing platform fueled by AI and ML dedicated to serving crypto investors and users alike. Our platform will feature a no-code interface for creating and managing smart contracts, along with thorough auditing capabilities. Additionally, various bots will be available to facilitate trading strategies. With these comprehensive tools and insights, we aim to simplify token creation and enhance trading approaches, offering a one-stop solution for all crypto-related requirements. So the total supply, 10 billion tokens. Now how the token is split up here, we got 65% of the tokens going to community, 25% goes to the decentralized autonomous organization, 5% goes to the team, and 5% investors. They all have different vesting periods. So they also have a section here. It says ZTN is a 100% collateralized stable index coin that is pegged to an approved baskets of stable assets. These assets are USDC, USDT, DAI, and are deposited into battle-tested and audited strategies on-chain, providing a flow of stable yield. The goal of this index coin is to allow investors to gain exposure to dynamic yielding opportunities of the supported collaterals on-chain without having to personally manage the underlying assets. This function occurs via 24-hour rebase, distributing real yield to token LP holders. So ZTN is the main utility token, and Zatin is the emissions token. So Zatin is locked. Zatin-Cash LP is the governance token of Zatin, and benefits of pairing ZTN: boosted APR due to the ZTN rebase mechanism, reduced trading fees, which will result in higher volume for the pairs. And for voters will receive X% of the ZTN rebase for the pairs that they vote for. This means that if they vote for pairs that contain a large amount of ZTN, they will receive some of the rebase for that pair during the week. So there's protocol benefits. So partner protocols earn more for their DAOs with Zatin than any other exchange. 25% of trading fees for their pair will go to the treasury. 15% of the ZTN rebase for the pool will be directed to auto bribe for the pool, creating a self-sustaining pool. They have information about sustainment, treasury, emissions, and voting. You can also check out the AMM functionality for the liquidity pools, pool types, and rewards. And you can find this all at zatin.xyz. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.